I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up eSIM on your iPhone can seem tricky, but it is pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it with Bell Canada. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Contact Bell Canada to obtain your eSIM activation code. This is usually sent via email or SMS. Step 3. Open Settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. Type on cellular and then select Add cellular plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code provided by Bell or enter the details manually. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the eSIM is added, you can label it for easy identification, like Bell eSIM. This helps if you have multiple plans. Remember, if you don't see the option to add a cellular plan, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Happy connecting!